Okay class, today we are going to write 3 pages of essay about your favorite character from Lou, was that you who just burped?
No. It was Wacko Warner who burped.
No. It was not me who burped. If I did, I would have said excuse me. It was certainly Lou that burped.
That's it. Go to Principal Orlando's office now.
So Lou, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Lou. How dare you burp in class and now at me? You know that is disgusting and very rude. You are hereby suspended for a week. Go home now. Scram.
Lou. How dare you burp in class, in front of the principal? Lou. How dare you burp at me now? That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks. Go upstairs to your room now.